All right, so the next feature we're going to demonstrate is the live map annotation. So this is a really useful feature if there's any points of interest on your map that you want to share across the organization. So let's say you're at the command center and you spot something on the camera that you want the drone to investigate. What you can do from the command center is drop a point or a pin on the location that you would like the pilot to navigate towards and get a closer view on, or if there's a particular search area that something that was missed, the command center could draw a kind of a box or a flight path around that. The pilot in command can also see the live annotation on their controller in order to navigate to that point of interest. So we'll begin by taking off the drone here.
Taking off. Home point updated.
Into the air.
Check map to confirm.
So I'll look at my camera view here. So as you can see, the command center can see a live view. And let's say we go up a little bit higher. And okay, so we're looking at the structure right here. I can press a pinpoint. I'll put it towards, let's say, this structure right here. And I'll name it, check this out. Hit enter. And when we go back to the remote controller, you'll see that the pinpoint has updated on the pilot in command's map view here, and they can navigate towards that. We'll draw a box for an area of interest. Say you wanted to check out this area right here, this grid. So put that into there and just call that number 1 here. And looking on the map, that has now updated live. And then let's set some paths here just for demonstration purposes. All right, and keep in mind you can change the colors, color coding of all these annotations. So we'll look on the map here. And as you can see, it's also annotated on the controller here. All right, so as you can see, DJI FlightHub 2 is a very powerful tool that you can use in your organization to increase visibility to all the stakeholders and everybody involved. For the most part, FlightHub 2 is being used in public safety applications such as search and rescue, policing, and firefighting at the moment, but I'm sure there's plenty of other applications that are yet to be discovered. And we'd love to hear your thoughts on what you think you can use this for. So please leave a comment in the description or a post, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and social media for more upcoming content.